Hey there. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we've got something really exciting to share with you. We'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to easily generate PDFs from your Jotform submissions with the use of PDF.co and Make. If you're ready to discover how to make your PDF creation process smooth and efficient, just check out the link in the description box below. It will take you to the full tutorial, where you'll find all the details and additional information. Remember to come and visit PDF.co for more valuable tips, tricks, and tutorials. We've got a sample Jotform submission all set up and ready to go. Our goal is to take this sample submission and demonstrate how to generate a PDF. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by opening your Make account and create a new scenario. After logging in, navigate and search for the Jotform app. Then choose the Get Form Submissions option to retrieve the lists of form responses. This will allow you to easily generate PDFs from your Jotform submissions. Let's set up the Jotform configuration. Start by connecting your Jotform account to Make. This will allow Make to authorize access to your Jotform account and retrieve your form data. Next, navigate to the form ID where your submitted data is stored. This will ensure that Make retrieves the correct data from the correct form. Then set the limit for the number of submissions you want to receive. This is useful if you only want to generate PDFs for a specific number of submissions, or if you want to limit the amount of data that Make retrieves. Once you have finished setting up your Jotform configuration, you can run the scenario to retrieve the data from your submitted form. This will allow you to generate PDFs from your Jotform submissions using the data that you have collected. We have successfully executed the scenario and obtained the data from form submissions. Now, we will proceed to incorporate an additional module that will enable us to generate a PDF document using the retrieved data. For this step, we will incorporate the PDF.co app and select the Convert HTML to PDF module. This module allows us to convert both raw HTML code and data from form submissions into PDF format. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. Begin by connecting your PDF.co account to Make by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Next, select the HTML to PDF as the conversion type. Then add the raw HTML code along with the retrieved data from Jotform submissions. This will allow you to create PDF document with the data from your Jotform submissions. Lastly, specify the desired name for your output file. Once you have completed the configuration setup, proceed to run the scenario to convert the raw HTML code along with the retrieved data from Jotform submissions into a PDF document. The PDF.co has been executed successfully, generating the retrieved data into a PDF document. Copy the URL provided and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here is the PDF document that has been generated from the retrieved data from the Jotform submissions. Discover the powerful features of PDF.co by exploring our comprehensive tutorials on our website. For in-depth insights, don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, where we regularly upload new content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.